Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you guys are new here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fjallraven Kanken hip pack or fanny pack, which is what it basically is. Along with the unboxing, I'm going to show you guys what I can fit inside of this bag. So kind of like a what's in my bag, even though I'm opening it up for the first time. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and let's get started. So here is the little package. There's a little marking right here, so you can just tear it open without using the scissors. I know you guys probably wanted to hear that. Super interesting. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. So super easy to open up. First of all, the receipt. Oh wait, my address is on there. And then the bag. Wait, this color is the absolute cutest. It kind of matches my shirt, not really, just a little bit. The color that I got is called Clay, and as far as I know, there are a total of 12 colors that are on the website, but I love this color. It'll match with literally everything. Okay, so how cute is this? This is the cutest thing ever. Like, look at the size of this. Come on. I know I already said that I love the color of this, but I love the color of this. And like, look at the little handle, you guys. How adorable. Okay, enough of that. Anyway, so the bag. Let's undo the little strap first. I don't even know how to do this. Wait, you guys. Oh, okay. Oh, I see now. Okay, got it. I got it. Okay, let me extend this to its fullest potential. I love how far this can extend because you can also use it as a sling if you don't want it on your hip, which I think would be so good, especially if you were running errands really quick or walking your dog. Yes. Oh my gosh, even with this shirt, I think that looks so good. Anyway, there's also a clip attached to the strap, so if you wanted to secure this around something, that is so helpful. All right, so let's start at the front of the bag. So there is a little zipper right here. I feel like this pocket would be perfect for something like your phone or your keys, just something you want to keep separate from the larger pocket of the bag, and you can grab easily without having to dig around for it. So really like that. And then next, the largest pocket of the bag. So we just have the little paper right here. It says your Kanken story begins now. It sure does. And inside, I already think that it looks extremely spacious for how small this bag is. There's also a spot underneath the logo where you can write your name and your contact information if you wanted to do that. So the only pocket that is inside of the bag is this one against the back of it. And then just above it, there is a little clip, and you can attach your keys to it if you want them to be more secure. And I think the zippers allow it to open up just enough so you can see everything inside of the bag without worrying about everything spilling out of it. And then going back to the back of the bag, we have a hidden zipper right here, which is a similar size to the one in the front. Okay, and I also have my Kanken Mini just to show you guys a little size comparison. So here is my Kanken Mini, and here is the hip pack next to each other. I just wanted to show you guys in case you were curious about the size. All right, so next I'm gonna show you guys everything that I can fit inside of here. So to be honest, I don't really carry that much around in my purse, but I took out my most essential things, which was pretty much everything out of my bag. So let's start off with this first zipper that is in the very front. I said you can possibly fit your phone inside of here, but I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it is way too big to fit inside of there. But if your phone is smaller, I think this pocket would be perfect for your phone. I did say you can put your keys inside of there, so that is what I'm gonna do. So I just have my keys on this lanyard. I have my car keys and my house keys. So that fits in here perfectly. Okay, so I think that's all I will put inside of this pocket for now. We'll see if I go back to it and add anything else, but for now that will be all. So moving on to the biggest pocket. Right here I have my wallet, of course, and my wallet is pretty small, so I don't think I'll have an issue fitting it inside of here at all, as you guys can see. And then next I have hand sanitizer, very important. This one is from Bath & Body Works and it's called Black Cherry Merlot. I'm gonna put that right next to my wallet. Perfect. Next, I always have some sort of hair tie, so I just have a regular black one and then a scrunchie because you never know when you're going to need one, so always have one just in case. I also carry a lip gloss around, and this one I have been using for a couple of years now, and it is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Champagne Mommy. This is the best lip gloss. It's affordable and the color is so beautiful. I wear this every single day. If you guys are ever wondering what lip gloss I'm wearing, it is most likely this one. It It is my absolute favorite. Next up, a pen. I always carry around a pen with me, and if you guys are looking for a pen recommendation, I highly recommend the Pilot G2. Definitely my all-time favorite pen. I think they are also affordable for the quality. I also have one in blue because, you know, gotta have options. My dad always carried around a pen with him, and if there's one thing that I've learned, it's that you always need a pen when you don't have one. So always have one with me. So here we go. And the last thing going inside of this pocket are my crystals. I have them all in this little pouch. Let me show you guys the ones that I'm carrying around at the moment. So first I have this piece of pyrite, and then I have some black tourmaline. And the third one is this little carnelian. I think it is so cute. And I got all of these at a local crystal shop. I have more, but these are the ones that I carry around with me. So that is the last item going inside of this pocket, and everything fits inside of here perfectly. I could definitely fit some more items inside of here if I had anything. Sometimes I'll carry around a snack with me, like a granola bar. A granola bar would fit perfectly inside of here, and I definitely have space for it. So let's close this up, and then last up we have this pocket in the back, and I would only carry one thing inside of this pocket, and that would be my dad's prayer card. I carry this with me everywhere. I don't ever take it out of my bag, and this is the perfect spot for it. So let's put that inside of here. And we're done. And there we have it, you guys. I was able to fit so much in here, as you guys saw. It still feels light enough so you can carry it around as a fanny pack, or if you want to put it around your shoulder and use it as a sling, you could definitely do that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already yet, and like this video. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
So come on up, baby, you're an island. So let me crash there like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. You could have it all, like I'll give it up.